front of me is TECNO Spark 20C, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app. If you never used it before, hit allow in the pop-up, then the second one, and the third one. Now before starting recording, use this gear at the top right corner. Then click on Recording File Format and apply the best one for you by clicking on it. When you finished, go back. Now to start recording, click on this red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, you need to unpause your recording and click on this icon on the left. To end it and save it though, tap on the check mark on the right. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To rename it, hold it, choose rename at the bottom and type in wherever you want to. Sorry, misclick. Then select save. And last but not least, to delete it, hold it again, but this time tap on delete next to rename and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!